Ensign College invites all students and faculty to become capable and trusted disciples of Jesus Christ. Here are a few reasons at Ensign College that accomplish that mission.
Attending weekly devotionals where we hear from various leaders, including members of the Quorum of the 12 Apostles, talk about Jesus Christ.
By attending our Institute class and hearing each other share their testimonies.
By starting each class with a prayer so we can learn with the help of the Holy Ghost.
The whole reasons why college students attend college is to find a career that they enjoy and can provide for their lives. Here are a few things that we do at Ensign College help our students to find a dream career.
We have adjunct professors that work in your career right now, so you're learning from industry professionals. That's kind of a big deal.
Ensign College classes are designed for students to gain real-world experiences, not just pass a test.
Which means you can get real experience and a portfolio that will help you get a jump start on your career. We have a dedicated team at Career Services that can help you find an internship and a career before you graduate. Next is affordable, and in a world with rising costs and constantly questioning, is college worth it? You're gonna love how affordable Ensign College is.
Ensign College tuition is the lowest in Utah at $19.44 per semester.
Ensign College has a wide array of scholarships and financial aid options available. Say hi, you guys. Hi. Come talk to the second floor office or to the staff online for more details.
The amounts you pay for 12 credits is the same up to 18 credits, so you get more bang for your buck.
Reason number 4 is personal connections. Instead of fighting to get my professor's attention with more than 100 students, I have smaller class sizes and I can meet with them after class with no problem. Here, catch it.
I get to know and learn alongside with my classmates instead of getting lost in the crowd.
Whenever I need help resolving an issue, I can speak with someone who wants to help me, either in person or online. Say hi, Brother Kerry. I'm kidding, he's right here.
The last reason is efficient and flexible. Ensign College offers various classes at night and online.
Ensign College offers certificates that you can complete in as little as 2 semesters and start your career. Ensign College offers credit for prior learning, so you get credit for the skills you've already obtained, getting you to your degree faster.
So, what are you waiting for?
Apply today!